Good morning, Trek team. I hope you're doing well today. We have trekked to this beautiful building in downtown Lockport. This is the Union Sun and Journal building. The Union Sun and Journal is the newspaper in town, but is the 22nd oldest paper in New York. It dates back to 1821, and it's the oldest paper in Lockport and all of Niagara County. It was first published in Lewiston, but later moved to Lockport. It distributes more than 8,500 papers a day. So why are we here for math? You guessed it. Distributive property. Very important. So let's look at this. If I had 5x plus 3, this is very simple distributive rule. You know that a number next to parentheses means multiply, but you've got to multiply straight through the parentheses. So if I were to do that, I have to do 5 times x equals 5x plus 5 times 3, 15. That would be your answer. I know it looks funky, but that would be your answer. This is very important when we're solving multi-step equations. Let me show you what I mean. If I had 8x plus 2, close the parentheses, equals 56 minus 2x. This is a multi-step equation. You know we always say go to the side with the variable. But look, the variable's on both sides. Before we do anything, we have to distribute. Pass it out. Just like the Union Sun and Journal passes out their newspaper. So I'm going to distribute here first. I get 8x, 8 times 2, 16. Now I'm ready to go. Go to the side with the variable. Shoot, they're on both sides. I've got to move them to one side. Same way we do equations. Go to this side and do the opposite. Whatever I do on this side of the equal sign, I must do on this side of the equal sign. I get 10x plus 16 equals, that cancels out, 56. Now I have a plain old two-step. Go to the side with the variable. Ta-da! Side with variable. Do the inverse operation. I'm going to subtract 16. Whatever I do on this side, I have to do on this side. 6 minus 6 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. Cancels out. I get my 10x. I'm still looking for x, so I have to do it all over again. Go to the side with the variable. Ta-da! Side with variable. Inverse operation. Number next to letter means multiply, so I am going to divide by 10. Divide by 10. I end up getting my x alone. That's my goal. And I ran out of room. Let's put it up here. So my x, we had 10x here, equals 40. We divide by 10. Divide by 10. X equals 4. Very easy to distribute. Not so easy for the Union Sun and Journal to distribute all those papers. So, why don't you pick up a paper? Why don't you read all the news in the Union Sun and Journal? And remember to distribute on the street again. Distribute through the parentheses. Bye-bye.